If you are looking for a summer outfit na talagang babagay sa OOTD niyo this summer, please consider this outfit. This outfit, knitted na siya, breathable, tapos guys, makikita mo na quality yung product is based sa mga tahi niya dito sa damit. At makikita nyo talaga na detalyado, tapos walang chismis yung mga tahi niya sa paligid. Look at this product. Pag sinuot mo to, it feels like na parang mararamdaman mo talaga yung summer vibes. Tapos yung maganda dito is crop box na. Yes! So napakaganda ng style. Available to sa iba't ibang kulay. Please check the yellow basket if you wanted to get the same product as mine. You can choose also yung different colors na preferred mo kasi available siya. So what are you waiting for? I-consider mo to as one of your OOTD this summer. For sure, you will love this product. So what are you waiting for? If you wanted to get the same product as mine, use that basket. Check it out. Bye!